evolution, natural selection, Charles Darwin. Yep, these three things go hand in hand with each other. But did you know that Charles Darwin, in Classification of the Species, which, by the way, huge book, difficult to read, but wildly interesting, recognized the adaptability of animals to their surroundings as a necessary part of their survival? But did you also know that in his work on emotions, CD decided not to apply the same theory of evolution and adaptation when identifying and classifying emotions? Why? In essence, what he did was he named 6 core emotions, defined what they look like on our faces, what they feel like in our bodies, things that trigger them, and then said, there, that's what it's like for everyone. Nope, wrong. Couldn't be further from the truth. And you and I experience this on a very regular basis. We mistake someone's furrowed eyebrows for frustration when what they might be experiencing is concentration. We mistake someone's snarled lip for anger, and they might be experiencing curiosity. We mistake someone's closed body language for grief when they might just simply be cold. And these kinds of errors that we make in our social awareness and our relationship management, which are realms within emotional intelligence, are really problematic in our workplaces. We judge people by their behaviors, the things that we see. Based on our interpretation, we name them, we label them, and then we hold those things as truth. And when we do that, we end up rubbing each other the wrong way. We define people by their behaviors rather than their intentions. And because we might not be taking the appropriate amount of time to actually get to know them, we never discover what their intentions or their values or their goals or their desires actually are. And so what we're focused more on is how we're different than how we are similar. And in our ever-changing world, digitizing by the minute, these people skills within emotional intelligence grow in their importance by the minute. And so it brings us to be able to question, how am I holding myself responsible to grow my own emotional intelligence? How as a team are we working together to grow our emotional intelligence? And as an organization, how are we putting skills like emotional intelligence to the forefront